guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at the all-new Metakoo e-bike. This year is the CyberTrack 100. It is a 3-hour e-bike that's actually surprisingly light and costs about $800. So if you guys want your very own, be sure to check out the link down below in the description. And in this episode here, we'll be unboxing it, trying it out, and seeing exactly what it's all about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so check it out. This year is our Metakoo. This year is our CyberTrack 100 finally built, and overall it wasn't too hard. It took about a half an hour to build. It does come pre-assembled, more or less. Now, it does come with a nice video. We'll kind of show you step by step how to go ahead and build it. But overall, it is a very amazing looking bike, as you can probably already tell. So I'm working our way from the front to the back. So we have these nice large wheels that actually have some nice graphics. You do have a full LED display showcasing exactly your speed here, and this here is a 7-speed bike. Now you do get this nice battery that lasts about 3 hours, so it's a good amount of play. You don't really have to charge it as often. You also get your key here to go ahead and lock your battery. Now the nice thing about this particular bike is the fact that it is really, really light. Compared to our previous bike before, this one is so light that I can actually just move it around without any effort. So let's go ahead and try it out and see what it's all about. All right, so right now it's in manual mode. There's an on-off button here on the side. Just go ahead and turn this on. It'll go ahead and power up the bike. You press this power button here, and the display will indicate that it's good to go. All right, so right now we're in just the regular mode. So this is non-assisted. And the overall ride quality is very smooth. It's very easy to use. And I have to admit that it is a very nice bike. Now, the nice thing about an electric bike is that you don't really have to pedal. You can just go ahead and press the throttle, and literally in a split seconds, it'll take off. So right now we're pushing it up to 10 miles per hour, 12 miles per hour, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18. Whoa. That was 18 miles per hour. So right now our cameraman is in a Lamborghini go-kart by Ninebot. So we're gonna do a quick little race. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! No! This thing is getting me on a hop end! So we're pushing about 18 miles per hour right now, and I got a brake. So surprisingly, that go-kart itself is actually very fast, and the fact that we can keep up with it is pretty nice for a bike like this. Now they have different colors as well. We have a black one, a white one. I preferably like this one just because of the fact that it's a cyber bike. I think a white one definitely portrays that role quite well. Now right now we're in the assisted mode, meaning I'm just kind of pedaling and it's actually helping me pedal, which is nice. So you do have that extra option to do that as well too, in case if you want to just go ahead and ride it like a real bicycle. So we can also just kind of lay back and kind of do one of these numbers as the bike does its own thing. So it's actually pretty easy to use. You can go ahead and stand on one foot. And I mean, it's just literally taking care of itself, and I'm not doing anything at all. So yeah, it kind of gives you an idea what that's about. And there you guys have it. This year is our CyberTrack 100 by Metakoo. So if you guys had any questions about it, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.